Hello, my name is Van Smith, managing partner here at Smith Strong, and today I'd like to talk to you about integrating your business and with your estate plan in Virginia. 1 in 4, 1 in 5 of our estate planning clients, believe it or not, are business owners. And this could include a solely held business or a business with partner or with a variety of partners, or simply investment properties or real estate that they're invested in with them and their spouse or them and other partners. And so when you're thinking about a will and estate plan, or maybe you've already got a simple will done years ago, but it never really covered the business, understand this. You really should begin to think about, as a business owner, particularly 54 or older, although we never know when our time has come. But typically 54 and older, we will see business owners calling us, meeting with us, and really thinking about, okay, I'm 5, 10, 15, 20 years from exiting this business. How should I integrate the business with the estate plan? This also rings true to me because last week we had a former client who passed away at the age of 50 from cancer and the CEO of a business. And a few years prior, we had set up a trust for that business owner and performed an assignment of interest. So if she had not sold the business or she had not developed a buy-sell agreement before her death, the business would be poured in or provided to the heirs of her trust and estate plan for them to figure out what's next for the business. And sadly, as the cancer accelerated faster than she imagined it would, suddenly she passes away unexpectedly, and now the heirs and trustees are having to now not only distribute the assets of her trust and estate, but now also assume the responsibility of the business, its stability, and ultimate sale or taking it over. And so those are wider discussions that will go on for the weeks and months ahead with the attorneys they choose. But for you as a business owner, at minimum, we want to do an assignment of interest. So if you do not get to the buy-sell agreement, if you do not sell your business before we pass away unexpectedly, the business is clearly given to the heirs of your estate plan, will, or trust, and the point people, the executor or trustee of your estate plan, can also manage and oversee the distribution, sale, or transition of the business assets as well. Critically important. So business owners, if you've done a will years ago or a trust years ago, but never talked to the attorney about your business, it's time to revisit that conversation. Give us a call, set up a consultation, bring your current estate plan, bring any operating agreements and other key documents related to the corporate affairs of your business, and let's make sure we at least do an assignment of interest of that business to your estate plan. But we could also talk about visualization of what a buy-sell agreement or a succession plan would look like to give an even firmer sense to your heirs of what should be done. Most businesses, when the business owner passes away, never realize their full potential in the sale because there isn't enough diagramming, envisioning, and planning around what happens with the business when the business owner unexpectedly passes away. So it's critically important that we get a baseline and then we build from that baseline. And so business owners, give us a call. It's our joy to work with you, updating your estate plan and also thinking about succession planning too. Talk soon.